A neck like no other. Introducing the record-breaking dinosaur. Imagine a creature with a neck as long as 3 large cars lined up end to end. Scientists have recently uncovered fossils of a dinosaur with an extraordinary 15-meter-long neck. This is the longest neck ever recorded in any animal. The dinosaur lived about 160 million years ago. It was part of a group called sauropods, the largest land animals ever to walk the earth. Sauropods were known for their long necks and tails, but this new species takes things to a whole new level. The fossils were found in a remote area of China, buried deep in rock layers from the Jurassic period. When the scientists first saw the bones, they could hardly believe their eyes. The vertebrae, the bones that make up the neck, seemed to go on forever. This discovery opens up a whole new world of questions about dinosaur biology. How could an animal support such a long neck? What did it eat? How did it move? These questions are now driving new research in paleontology.
Digging up the past. The process of fossil analysis. Finding and studying fossils is like solving a giant puzzle. It starts with careful digging. Scientists use special tools to remove rock and soil. Each piece is carefully marked and recorded to understand how the bones fit together. Once the fossils are out of the ground, the real detective work begins. Scientists clean the bones using brushes and special chemicals, looking for any marks or features that can tell them about the animal. The next step is to put the bones back together, like a 3-dimensional jigsaw puzzle with many missing pieces. Scientists use their knowledge of animal anatomy and computers to create 3-dimensional models. These models help them see how the whole animal might have looked. Finally, scientists compare their findings with other known dinosaurs. They look at the shape, size, texture, and structure of the bones. All of this helps them understand if they've found a new species. In the case of our long-necked giant, the evidence was clear. This was something entirely new and exciting in the world of dinosaurs.
Measuring the impossible. How scientists determine the neck length. Measuring a 15-meter neck is no easy task, especially with only fossils. They use careful observation and clever calculations. Each vertebra was measured and laid out in order. Soft tissues like cartilage added to the length. Modern animals like giraffes helped estimate tissue space. Advanced imaging created a 3D model of the neck. Combining these methods, they reached the 15-meter measurement.
A giant among giants, comparing to other long-necked dinosaurs. To appreciate this discovery, let's look at other long-necked dinosaurs. Mamenchisaurus held the record with a 12-meter neck. This new dinosaur surpasses that by 3 meters. Diplodocus had a neck of 6.5 meters. Brachiosaurus had a 9-meter neck. This new dinosaur's neck vertebrae were light, with air spaces like birds. This made the neck easier to hold up. The giraffe's neck is just 2.4 meters. Our dinosaur's neck was 6 times longer.
Section 5. The significance of the discovery in dinosaur studies. This discovery is a game changer in the world of paleontology. It pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible in animal biology. Scientists have long debated the maximum possible length for a dinosaur's neck. This find shows that we may have underestimated what nature can achieve. The discovery also sheds light on the evolution of sauropod dinosaurs. These were the largest land animals ever to live. Understanding how they grew to such sizes is a key question in dinosaur studies. This extremely long neck suggests that there may have been strong evolutionary pressure for longer necks. It could have given these dinosaurs a significant advantage in reaching food. Moreover, this find helps us understand the diversity of dinosaur species. Each new discovery adds to our picture of the ancient world. It shows that there were many different types of dinosaurs, each adapted to its own way of life.
Section 6. Reaching new heights. Possible uses for such a long neck. The extraordinary length of this dinosaur's neck raises fascinating questions about how it was used. The most obvious possibility is that it allowed the dinosaur to reach high into trees for food. This would have given it access to leaves and branches that other dinosaurs couldn't reach. But feeding might not be the only use for such a long neck. Some scientists suggest it could have played a role in attracting mates. Just as peacocks use their colourful tails to impress females, perhaps these dinosaurs used their long necks in courtship displays. Another possibility is that the long neck helped with temperature regulation. By lifting its head high above its body, the dinosaur could have caught cooler breezes. Defense could be another use for the long neck, allowing the dinosaur to spot predators from far away. While these ideas are speculative, they show how such an unusual feature could have had multiple uses in the dinosaur's daily life.
Section 7. Adapting to a long lifestyle. Unique features of long-necked dinosaurs. Having such a long neck required special adaptations. One key feature was the structure of the neck bones themselves. They were surprisingly lightweight, filled with air spaces like those in bird bones. This made the neck much lighter than it would have been if the bones were solid. The dinosaur's heart was also likely adapted to pump blood all the way up that long neck. Scientists think it must have had an extremely powerful heart. It might have had special valves to control blood flow. These would have prevented blood from rushing back down when the dinosaur lowered its head. Breathing was another challenge with such a long neck. Scientists think these dinosaurs might have had air sacs throughout their body, similar to those in modern birds. It's amazing to think about all the solutions nature came up with to make this extraordinary neck possible.
Section 8. Challenges and mysteries. Questions raised by the discovery. While this discovery is exciting, it also raises many new questions. One big mystery is how the dinosaur held its neck. Could it really lift its head high? Or did it usually keep its neck more horizontal? The answer could change how we picture these giant creatures. Another puzzle is how the dinosaur's brain controlled such a long neck. The distance from the brain to the tip of the neck was huge. How did nerve signals travel that far? And how did the dinosaur coordinate all the muscles in the neck? The discovery also challenges our ideas about the limits of animal size. If a neck can be 15 meters long, what other extremes might have existed in the dinosaur world? This find encourages scientists to think bigger and to question their assumptions.
Section 9. Beyond the bones, what this tells us about ancient ecosystems. The discovery of this long-necked giant gives us valuable insights into ancient ecosystems. For a creature this size to exist, there must have been an abundance of food. This suggests that the environment was lush and productive. It probably had tall trees and plenty of vegetation to support such large herbivores. The presence of this dinosaur also tells us about other animals in the ecosystem. Large predators must have existed to hunt these giants, but the long neck might have been an effective defense against many predators. This could have influenced the hunting strategies of carnivorous dinosaurs. Climate information can also be gleaned from this discovery. For plants to grow tall enough to feed these long-necked dinosaurs, the climate must have been favorable. It paints a picture of a diverse, dynamic landscape, very different from many places on Earth today.
Section 10. The ripple effect impact on other areas of paleontology. The discovery of this record-breaking dinosaur has implications far beyond the study of long-necked sauropods. It encourages paleontologists to re-examine fossils of other dinosaur groups. Could other dinosaurs have features that push the limits of what we thought possible? This find opens the door to new interpretations of existing fossils. The techniques used to analyze this dinosaur's neck can be applied to other areas of paleontology. The methods for estimating soft tissue and dealing with missing bones could help in studying other incomplete fossils. This could lead to more accurate reconstructions of many different ancient creatures. The bones were found in an area that hadn't received much attention before. It shows that important discoveries can come from unexpected places. Every major discovery like this helps keep the field of paleontology vibrant and relevant.
Section 11. Looking ahead, future research directions and implications. The discovery of this extraordinary long-necked dinosaur opens up many avenues for future research. One key area will be biomechanics. Scientists will use computer models to study how such a long neck could have moved and functioned. This could lead to new insights into the physical limits of animal biology. Another important direction will be comparative studies. Researchers will look at other sauropod fossils with fresh eyes. They'll be searching for signs of similar adaptations or evolutionary trends. This could reshape our understanding of sauropod evolution and diversity. Who knows what other amazing creatures might be waiting to be discovered? The next big find could be just one dig away, ready to rewrite the books on dinosaur biology once again.